Okay, so when you first turn the DuoMax SE on, it's going to bring you to this screen here. You will pick what level strength you want for your massage. So you have gentle, soothing, and strong. Let's say we go with the middle, soothing. It's going to start going to the upright position. And this is where it's going to do the body scan shortly after it brings you to the lie down position. So as you can see, the whole chair is starting to go back, and now it's doing that scan, so it shows you right here the progress of the scan. And what we're going to do, since we're just doing this short video to show you the screen, we're going to skip that. Okay, so here's your main control panel area. So on the right hand side you have the upper air being this outside area where you can raise it. That's like a 5. Every time you tap it, it goes down by 1. Okay, and then this is your lower air, this little inside bar. So you can do those separate, and then when you hit this full, you could do either full body, upper body, and lower body. This is only found on the DuoMax SE model, where you can control that. You can do just upper, just lower, or the full, which would be upper and lower. Just tap anywhere outside, it goes away. I was telling you about the foot code, so here you can tell it what size shoe you wear, so it only focuses on that part of your foot in that whole big footrest area. And then being able to get your shoulders, get the rollers up to the top of your shoulder. You can hit the up and down arrow to adjust it at any time during the massage. On the left side, this 4D, plus and minus, you have a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being weaker, so we can go all the way down here and go to a 1. That is your roller intensity. And then you could go up to 5 max, which is right there. Then the speed of the roller, you could adjust the speed of the roller, plus and minus, and what type you want. So you could hit that, control, and it opens up all of this to see what different types of kneading and shiatsu and what mode you want that to be in. So let's go just shiatsu. Tap somewhere outside, it goes away. And this is your hand roll. So that is a new feature on the DuoMax SE. So the hand roll is that piano mechanism for that intensity on the arm massage. So you could turn that off with the touch of a button now. You have the back heat and core heat. So the core heat is the roller heating up. The back heat is the shawl. It's like a heating pad on the back of the chair. You see it there on the left and right side, has little lines on it. So you could take that whole shawl, that whole thing heats up right there. That's different, a little different design than on the DuoMax. So this one has the whole back that heats up, which is really nice. So that's your back heat, your core heat. It has an ionizer built into it for the cleaner air. So negative ions, takes the negative ions out. You have the foot rollers on and off. You have the calf roller, the oscillator part that would go around on and off for that, for the calves. You have the voice commands that you can give the chair, so you don't have to take your arms out of the arm massage area. You can just give it voice commands to change the auto programs, to turn the chair on and off. Then you have your extra menus over here. You have the health detection, the AI health detector. On your left arm area, you have a little area that you put your index finger in for biometrics, and it'll automatically give you a massage based on how your stress level is for that day. You'll see all that. That's also on the older DuoMax as well. You'll see that on that video. You can customize the massages. Custom 1, custom 2. You have memories on this guy. So you could save the massages into different memories. You have the user 1, 2, and 3. So really nice. let's go back up. You can go to the home screen, which is this right here. You can hit the timer, and if you want to go extra time, it'll bring it up 5 minutes more at a time. The nice thing about the DuoMax SE is that you can go up to 40 minutes. So you can have a 40-minute massage, whichever program you pick. You can go minus, you can go plus. Every time you hit it, it goes down by 5 minutes. So that is a quick view of the DuoMax SE. Quick review. So if you have any questions, you can always call us at Massage Chair Planet, 888-346-3220. And I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to our channel so you can catch the reviews on all the chairs that we get in. So thank you for watching.